my order came in. So I have developer, bleach, toner, and a silver shampoo. I bought all of this except the Fudge silver shampoo on recommendation from my aunt and auntie because she's a hairdresser, and I asked her what products would work best. So this is what she recommended. I also have my plastic bowl, hair paint brush, my foils, and like the scoops to measure it out evenly. So I guess we're going to do it. Oh my god, I'm actually really scared because I have not dyed or bleached my hair in so long, because I finally have virgin hair again, and I just don't want to ruin it actually. But the one thing I am very like debating about is if I should do like an actual chunk of hair or more so like highlights. I don't know, but I feel like highlights would probably look really weird. I'm just going to look up a little bit more inspiration on Pinterest and then see what I want to do. I'm really scared. Oh my god, but I paid for it, so I'm gonna use it. Okay, so I've been struggling for almost 10 minutes now. But I think these are going to be the sections that I'm going to bleach. Okay, so I have equal parts of developer and equal parts of bleached powder bleach in here. I'm gonna mix this until it's smooth. I watched Brett Mondo's videos for some tips on bleaching your hair at home, and it's important that your hair is like very saturated. So I'm making a little bit. I'm just gonna saturate my hair because I have very dark hair, but just really mixing it up. And also do your roots like after about 10 minutes because of the heat of your hair, your head I mean. Your hair will start like it will develop that faster. Okay, it's pretty. Oh wow, it's actually really thick. Should I do it that thick? I don't know.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really wanna get to know me. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you.
Okay, one strand is done. I'm going to do, oh no. Oh shit. Shit. Going to do the roots later. Oh my god, I hope that does not turn white. Or like, not white, because my hair doesn't turn.
Shouldn't wait, don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Jump on my roller fine. Sometimes it goes the whole way up and down. I think you're ready now.
Yeah, I'm a mess. Look at the thing on my head, but it's actually really developing nicely, pretty fast as well. But it's really orange. But my aunt already said I probably have to bleach it 2 or 3 times. So yeah. So here you can see it already a little bit. Wow. You guys, do y'all see how light it is? You know, I honestly didn't know what to expect, because I've bleached and dyed my hair in the past, but all the times I've bleached it, I already had box dye on my hair, and that just does not work. And I finally have virgin hair in years, so I kind of expected to develop a little bit easier, but wow, I'm shocked. It's only the first time, but it always looks lighter like this, and after you wash it out, it will probably look more orange. So we have to see. I'm very curious. Okay, it's orange. It is definitely orange, but it's manageable, I think. Okay, I'm going to make another batch of bleach because it's really orange. I of course expected it because I have very dark Asian hair, so this was obviously expected. But yeah, I mean, I started, now I have to finish it. So okay, so now that I've tried it, I'm honestly regretting how much hair I picked, because I feel like this would have been perfectly enough. But you know, see, that would be, I think maybe the next time when my mom's going to dye her hair, I might just dye this back to black, because I feel like, it's really a lot. But okay, I'm just going to finish it now, because wow, maybe it will look, this color is not doing it. Okay, so the second round is in. I look so strange. So yeah, we're just going to wait and see what this does. I'm so curious. I really hope that once everything is styled, it will look better. But okay, so this is where we at right now. Just called my aunt, and we did a little like test on my hair, and it's strong enough for a 3rd bleach. So hopefully then everything will be this color. She also said I had to put a little bit more on the orangey spots to kind of like even that out. But it's okay. Wow, it's oh shit, dang. It's 11:30 p.m. This is the current state of my hair. It is quite okay. It is still orange in some places, but I think at this state it's fixable with silver shampoo and a toner. I have the fudge silver shampoo, and I have a Wella Illumina color in the shade 960, which is a very light violet natural blonde. I bought this recommendation of my aunt. So yeah, but it's quite late right now, so my mom has to wake up early, so you know, I cannot go and rinse my hair 10 more times now. So what I'm going to do is put some foot shampoo in my hair and sleep with it and then see what it does. Probably cancel out the yellow a little bit. So yeah, I also have to clean up that mess, like whoa. So yeah, see you back tomorrow for part 2 of this video. Okay, good morning. I literally just woke up. So excuse my face and this weird face in my hair. But I just like kind of like started washing it and foamed it up. And I'm gonna let it sit for another 5 minutes. And I'm gonna rinse it out. It already looks like I kind of like peeked through and it looks already less orange, but it can also be just not true. So yeah, we'll see. My hair is a mess. Wow, I'm really exposing myself right here. Okay, wow, you guys, but I did see like some orange strands, so yeah, we're just gonna comb it through and blow dry it, and I'm really curious, so we're going to see how it will turn out. So I really do not know what to do. So the purple shampoo really got into the air, but not everywhere, as you can see. So basically what it did is my roots are yellowish blonde, my ends are orange, and like the middle part here is purple, and I have some orange streaks at the top as well. Like this, it looks kind of okay, but like, so I don't know if I have to put the toner in now, or I think my aunt is still asleep, so because she's not answering her phone. So I guess for now I'm leaving it like this, or I might put some more silver shampoo in the ends. Because I don't know what it will do if I apply the toner over it, because it has purple bits. Like, I'm scared what that will do with my hair. So I guess I just have to wait for my aunt. Okay, so I'm back. I called my aunt, whatever. And oh wow, this side really is more orange. I'm really afraid. Okay, but I called her and she told me that I can tone it, but I should do it in parts, because I don't have all, yeah, I don't know, but that's okay. Guess I'm probably gonna dye some parts back to black. Okay, well, wait, but this is really orange, so this is really annoying because it's kind of hard to separate the hair now. Okay, so I have 1 part toner, 1 part developer, and a splash of water. And I added a splash of water because the developer is a 12% developer, which is equal to a 40 volume, but that is way too much for a toner, because it will almost make it a permanent dye, and that's obviously not what you want. So yeah, I have to start at the bottom, then do the roots like right here, and then do the parts where it's already purple, because she said I don't want it to be fully purple. I'm going to start with this side because that side is more orange.
Crowd, get in the fast lane, babe, you can make it. I promise I'll be there all the way. And if you get a little broken down, all that you gotta do is keep your head high. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid.
put some foil in the ends because that's the part that needs most help. So with the heat it will probably develop like hopefully nicer. Oh y'all. But also like the upper parts right here are really orange, but I feel like they're nicely evening out. I'm scared to put foil there because the small part underneath there is really purple. So I don't want to put any foil on top. I mean, the heat of my head will probably already help. But I really have to keep a close eye on everything. But honestly, it's so freaking hard. Ugh. But okay, we're getting there. Hopefully. Okay, so this is where we're at right now. It's already so much better. But I do think it's too cool toned. I want it just a little bit more natural. I would love it to be more like this, maybe. But my aunt is going to search up like for a nice caramelly color, and that's what I want actually. So I have to buy that. Hopefully it will be here on Friday. And then I can do that on Friday or on Saturday morning. But honestly, it does not look that bad. It's quite okay now. I'm happy with it. Okay.
Yeah,